The peregrine falcon, Falco peregrinus, is one of the fastest and most impressive birds of prey in the world. Here are some key facts about it. Speed. It's renowned for its high-speed dives, called stoops, reaching over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest bird and the fastest animal on Earth. Appearance. It has a sleek body, pointed wings, and a distinctive black mustache mark on its white face. Adults typically have bluish-gray backs and barred white underparts. Habitat. Found on every continent except Antarctica. Peregrines live in diverse environments from coastal cliffs and mountains to urban skyscrapers. Diet. They primarily hunt birds, capturing them midair with incredible agility and speed.